How I scammed my school. At my high school, we weren't allowed to have phones or tablets with us during the day. Every morning, we had to turn them in and pick them up at the end of school. They gave us these flimsy, padded, white envelope bags to protect them, but they didn't do much. One morning, I was rushing to catch the bus and decided to toss my iPad onto my bed. It bounced off and crashed onto the slate tiles, landing face down. From the sound alone, I knew it was totaled. I was so mad at myself until I came up with a plan. I grabbed my school-issued phone bag, put the shattered iPad in it, and brought it to school. When I handed it in, I acted like nothing was wrong. Later, when it was time to pick it up, I pulled my best shocked and upset face as I opened the bag. I took the broken iPad to the nearest teacher and told her I'd just found it like that. She took me to the office, and eventually, I was sitting in front of the principal. She seemed suspicious at first, but when my dad, a 25-year Army vet, came to pick me up, he tore into the staff. In the end, the principal agreed to pay for repairs, but when they couldn't fix it, she bought me a brand new iPad. The best part? My old one was a second-generation model, and this was 2014, so I ended up with the latest model instead. I never told anyone the truth, mostly because I was worried it would eventually get back to the principal.